Here's an example of a padlock that you'll receive on your first day in St. Eunan's College. It's a combination padlock, and with it you'll receive a 3-number combination. My number is 8, 20 and 16. So before we show you how to open the lock, just bear in mind that when we say turn it right, we mean turn the dial right from the top. Sometimes students confuse it with the bottom. We're looking at the top. So right is this way, left is that way. Okay, let's follow the instructions and see can we unlock the padlock. The first step in our process is to turn the lock to 0. The second step says turn right 3 times. So I'll return to 0 after turning right 3 times. The next step says turn right to your first number. My first number, as you can see, is 8. So I'm going to continue turning right all the way to 8. Step 4 said to turn 1 full turn left, passing the first number, 8, all the way to the second number, which is 20. So I'm going to go left here until I meet 8, which I've just done. I'm going to keep going until I meet 20. And the last step said turn right to the third number. My third number is 16, so I'm going to turn it right to 16 and test the shackle. So the shackle has unlocked. I can now access my locker. When locking my locker, I push down the shackle until it clicks into place.